one of our subscriber has asked this question: can the big movie stars or film stars or this big celebrities do they experience uh, this infinite peace or divine peace within themselves, or peace or happiness within themselves? Now, before proceeding, let me explain when I mention the word divine peace or infinite peace, what exactly I mean. Although it's very difficult to explain unless you've experienced it yourself, but for the sake of argument, for the sake of example, I would say imagine the happiest moment in your life. For a moment, now, imagine in your worldly life the happiest moment which you've experienced. Now, multiply that happiest moment which you can think of in your whole life by millions of times, or I will say trillions of times. It's something like, the waves of positivities are coming out of you and they are spreading basically in somehow in all directions, hundreds of kilometers. So much peace, so much happiness. It's almost impossible to actually describe, how does it feel. But for the sake of argument, I will say, take up any happiest moment multiplied by trillions of times. Now the question, do the celebrities or the big movie stars experience, or can they experience this infinite peace or divine peace within themselves? To experience this very deep peace or infinite peace or happiness within yourself, your mind needs to be very calm, very relaxed. And to make your mind really calm and really relaxed, Buddha basically prescribe a basic five precepts, basic five rules. So, for example, one of them, you don't have to, lying is absolutely not allowed. You cannot lie. Not only basically straightforward lying, but even uh, if you exaggerate a statement, that is also a lie. Another percepts, another rule: you cannot take intoxicants, because if you take intoxicants, the deeper layer of your mind, there's a huge commotion, there's a huge disturbance. So if there's a disturbance, you can never go deep. If you cannot go deep, you cannot experience divine peace or divine happiness. Likewise, non-violence. Non-violence not only at the level of your action, but also at the level of your speech. You should not be hurting other people with your words. Non-violence at the level of mental actions. Even the thoughts you should not allow. So likewise, there are five precepts, and they are the minimum. If you really want to go to deeper level, then there are more precepts. In fact, basically for the monks, there are more than 200 rules and precepts, rules and regulations. For a normal householder, Buddha prescribe minimum five. So if you are basically lying in your life every day, if you are basically using intoxicants, if you are hurting other people's, likewise if you're stealing something from somebody, it is almost impossible to go deeper. And to experience the divine peace, you have to go basically further deeper down. You need basically more precepts, and one of them is you have to basically withdraw yourself from the worldly entertainment even. And the reason basically is that every event in your life actually leaves an impression on your mind. And the deeper the impressions, the more obstructions they create when you're trying to go down. So as long as basically all these big celebrities and stars, as long as they are into this world of entertainment, very clear answers, it is almost impossible to experience that divine peace or divine happiness. So I repeat it again, for this big movie stars or big celebrities, it's almost impossible to experience that divine peace or divine happiness. Yeah, of course, if they leave all these things and they totally dedicate themselves into, in the life of moral code of conduct, yes, then everybody can experience it. Uh, if you want to understand basically more about it, I have made one video a few days ago, and which explains that why most people are not able to experience that divine peace or infinite peace within themselves. Should you have any query or if you have any question, feel free to write it in the comment section. If you think or if you like the video, basically, feel free to share it with your friends. And if you would like to understand more about Buddha's teaching or about meditation or about the holistic health, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.